Needing a bushing refresh? Today we're looking at 3 brand new tools to help make this job super simple. Hey guys, today I'm hanging out on the assembly side of the Clayton Off-Road Warehouse, where we're looking at our 3 newest tools to help with bushing replacement. This is going to work on all 3 sizes we have, starting with our track bar bushing. You're going to get the socket and cup. This is going to allow you to replace the forge end and housing end on the arms, as well as our 2-inch upper bushings. Same setup. And then we also have one for the largest size, so the 2 3/8 and 2 5/8 bushing. This one works for both. When you replace those bushings, same thing, forge end and housing end. We're going to be using our large hydraulic press, which is what the team normally uses. You can also use a standard bottle jack style press. Let's go ahead and get this job done. This table will help you find which tool you need for which bushing. But how do I know which bushing I need? Just to prove that anybody can do this job, we went out and bought the cheapest hydraulic press on Amazon, and we're going to show you that even this is enough to do the job with the proper tools.